Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you how you can easily allow WhatsApp to access your photos on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, be sure to put likes and also write comments. So let us get started with you. And in order to allow WhatsApp to access your photos, you will need to go on your iPhone to your phone settings and then scroll down to the bottom where you'll need to find the WhatsApp app. Navigate to it. And here go to the Photos section. And you will need to choose how you want to allow access to photos. The first option, which of course in this case I don't recommend you, is to not allow access to your photos and videos. Next, you can allow access to your favorite photos and videos. That is, you can go to the gallery, select the photos and videos that you allow access to, and then you can use them. You can also select all of them. Thus, you allow WhatsApp to access your entire gallery, and then you can easily send all your media files in WhatsApp. Friends, this is how you can allow WhatsApp app to access your photos on iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put likes, also write comments. See you soon.